Adina Th. Ben Ak P. Rekyatij. And Faroon.
Ourselves. Aditya. Our project is automated delivery robot. Introduction. This automatic delivery robot is designed to be automatically delivering packages and items from one location to another using sensor, motor and ESP32 microcontroller. It combines IoT control and via to the Blink app with real-time obstacle detection and a secure delivery mechanism. This project aims to simply short distance transportation tasks in smart environment.
Components used with technical specifications. First, ESP32 development tool, microcontroller with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Second, ETS7960 motor driver, dual channel 43A driver for high power DC motors, 2 DC motors, 300 RPM providing vertical and forward and reverse motion. 1 channel relay module controls additional devices or power circuits. Ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 detects obstacles and measures distance. Servo motor used for locking and unlocking the delivery compartment. Buzzer provides audible alert during delivery or obstruction detection. Camera for monitoring and navigation. Power bank supplies power to the ESP32 and other 5 components. 10. Wheel and chassis. Mechanical structure for movement and support.
Third, circuit connections. All 5 volt and ground connections are common to the buck converter. The ESP32's GPI pins are used to control the motor driver, servo and buzzer. The ultrasonic sensor is connected to the ESP32 for obstacle sensing. Relays can be connected to control external devices or additional
The robot moves in different directions based on commands received via and Blink app. The ultrasonic sensor continuously monitors the front area from obstacles. If an obstacle is detected, the ESP32 halts motor movement and triggers the buzzer. The servo motor operates the locking mechanism for secure delivery. The system is fully automated but can also manually controlled by VIA and the Blink app.
Technical details. First, operating voltage 5 volts, ESP32 and sensors or 7.4 volts motors. Second, motor speed 300 RPM per motor. Third, ultrasonic sensor range is 2 cm to 400 cm. Fourth, servo motor angle is 0 angle to 180 degree. Control via PWM signal. Fifth, communication. Wi-Fi based control using Blink IoT platform. Sixth, power supply is rechargeable Li-ion battery and buck converter to 5 volts. 7. Control logic, obstacle detection and decision movement or stop. 8. Estimated load capacity up to 1.5 kg depends on the motor torque.
Applications and features group. First, used in smart delivery system and contactless service robot. Second, applicable in warehouse, hospital and office for automatic items transport. Third, can be upgraded with GPS and camera for navigation and tracking. Fourth, future version may include AI-based path occupation and voice control. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is automated delivery robot. This is the compartment where the delivery components have been kept. This ultrasonic sensor, if any object comes in front of it, it starts to beep. We also have application to control this robot. This is for the servo motor which open and close the delivery compartment. These are some other buttons to control, and this is the joystick in which robot will be controlled. So